All right, let's start it up, see how it runs. Uh-oh. Battery's dead. I just so happen to have this 6,000 amp booster from GOOLOO. This is a jump starter and an air compressor. Let's see if it'll jump this dead battery. These things come in very handy, guys. Let's see if it'll have enough juice right out of the box to start it. Oh yeah, there it is. Check it out. GOOLOO's 6,000 amp jump starter and 16 OPSI air compressor. Brand new plastic. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's see what kind of adapters it has. There's the adapters for like inflatable beds and pool floaties and stuff like that. Tire adapter, that goes right here. It's a jump starter. This is where you charge it. I want to see if this thing has enough juice right out of the box. All right, let's see what happens. Hopefully we have some juice. We're gonna hit the boost button. Let's see if it works. All right, let's see what happens. It's working good. It's giving it juice. Surprised it's still going. I need to get some fuel down in the carburetor. This thing's got a lot of juice in it. It's pretty cool. We just gotta get some fuel to the carburetor. That thing is working great. I can't believe it. There it goes. Okay. We're getting fuel now. All right, I pulled this line off to make sure we were getting fuel, and it started pumping. So, tighten this back up and we should be good. Hopefully we still got some juice left in the jumper. Okay, let's try that. Let's try it again. Uh-oh. Had a vacuum leak. All right, guys, did you see that? Did you see how many times this thing kept jumping? That's crazy. I mean, we were using it a lot. Finally got some fuel to the carburetor. This vacuum hose came off, so it was screaming. Got that on there now, and it seems to be working pretty good. This thing's awesome. Go check them out, GOOLOO. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. Very, very impressed with that. Wow. I can't believe how many times it started the battery. That's pretty wild. The new linkage seems to be working pretty good. Go check them out, GOOLOO. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. Let's see if we can pump up this tire. It's got 2 bars left, so let's see if it's enough to pump this tire up. Let's try it. Let's see if it's got enough juice to pump up this tire. See what happens. So you can choose between what device you're doing. Car. All right, there it is. PSI, okay, there we go. All right, I got it on PSI now. You hold mode and you hold it down and it'll change it to PSI. We're gonna lower it to 30. Should turn off. Should turn off when it gets to 30. All right, there it is, guys. 30 pounds, pretty cool. This thing's got enough power to do all those cranks to start the engine. Had enough power left over to fill that tire, and it's still got juice in it. Let's see if we can demonstrate the inflator real quick. It comes with all these adapters depending on what you're inflating. So a mattress, a pool toy. This adapter here goes in the unit. It's got the little nipple on it, right in there. You thread the hose on there. Let's try this one. All right, I don't have an inflatable toy, but I have a garbage bag we can blow up real quick. All right, guys, this thing is awesome. GOOLOO A7 jump starter with air compressor, 6,000 amps and 160 PSI. Guys, it's a 12-in-1 jump box with tire inflator and air pump, inflate and deflate. It even has a flashlight. Check it out, pretty cool. Go check them out, guys. Click on the link below. Let me know if you get one. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Later. All right, guys, go check them out. GOOLOO, I'll leave a link in the description. Let me know if you get one. See ya.